Mm-hmm. Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now.
Hello friends, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited that you all are here, and thank you again so much for clicking on this video and supporting my channel. Today we're going to be kicking off this video in my main bathroom upstairs, and I try and come in here at least once a week and wipe everything down. My house gets very dusty, and then of course just getting ready in here every single day, you know, you can get like makeup buildup and hair and all kinds of things in here. So we're gonna come in here and just give it a nice little refresh, and then we will be checking a lot of boxes. So if you guys are here for motivation, I've definitely got you covered. I'm also so excited to share that today's video is sponsored by Mhot Hair, and I'll be sharing a little bit more about them in just a few minutes. We wipe down the mirror with my favorite glass cleaner, Spray Away. I'm pretty sure I share that in every single video, but I know you guys love when I share what products I'm using. So we just use the Spray Away cleaner with a rag on the mirror, which I do not recommend using it with a rag. I definitely recommend using that spray with a paper towel or like a coffee filter. I didn't have any paper towels up here. I just used a microfiber cloth, and it left streaks all over the mirror, but that's definitely not because of the cleaner. It was because of the cloth that I chose. So just keep that in mind when you're using it. And then I'm going to go in with these disinfecting cloths. They're just a generic Target brand. I picked these up when I was at my Super Target last, and I love using these in the bathroom because I don't have to worry about washing any type of cloth after using it in here, and just sanitary reasons and whatnot. I can just throw these away. I also love using this glass cleaner on my polished chrome faucets because when I wipe them down with like a Lysol or Clorox wipe, they can look a little streaky, but when I use the Spray Away cleaner, they shine up like they are brand new. So I love doing that after I go over it with a wipe and it's all clean. Then I'll go over it again and shine it right on up. I got these gorgeous canisters from Target. I believe they are the Threshold brand. And I'm going to be using these in my bathroom. I'm going to be doing a makeover in here, so I'm kind of slowly picking things up as I find them, and so I figured I would grab these because they will go perfectly with my vision, and you can use it for like Q-tips and floss and whatnot. And then I found this DKNY candle pedestal at TJ Maxx for just $4.50 on clearance. And then of course, when I'm cleaning a space, I love to light a candle and make it smell nice and clean. I am beyond excited to be partnering with Mott Hair for this portion of today's video. And you guys know me, if you've been here before, I'm a huge fan of my hair extensions, and I only took them out just a few weeks ago because I took a trip to Hawaii, and I cannot wait to get extensions put back on. They just feel so nice and just a huge confidence booster. But in case you guys have never heard of Mott before, they are a hair extension brand that uses real Remy hair. They offer versatile lengths and diverse colors, and they use cutting edge application methods that are hallmarks of the Mott Hair line. They have 15 years experience in hair extension manufacturing, and they insist on sourcing only the best Remy hair. I have actually never used clip-in extensions before. I usually do hand tied. So I wanted to bring you guys along this process with me. I have never used these before. I pulled these right out of the box, and then they give you a little color match, which you're seeing here. So that way you can make sure it matches your hair. And if it doesn't, you can go ahead and send it back until you get a match or get a refund. But now that I know that this color is perfect, I cannot believe how great it blended in with my hair color that I already have. So I'm going to not even use a comb. I'm seriously gonna do this just the quickest, easiest way possible and just show you guys how extremely easy these extensions are. So first I'm going to take a weft of hair and just place it right over the back of my head and just very gently press until I feel the clip connect and clamp down onto my hair, and voila, it's in. I let down my hair and then I do a few more rows of that. And like I said, I am on purpose not making this perfect because I want to show you guys just how easy anyone can do these extensions. The Mott website makes it so easy to click around, maybe read any questions, research any questions that you may have about not even just clip-in extensions. They also offer invisible tape-ins and then also a layered halo look. All of them are absolutely gorgeous and easy to apply. But I also wanted to add that they have been featured in Allure, Elle, InStyle, Modern Salon, Vogue, Cosmo. I could go on and on, but this brand is definitely one that you want to check out if you've ever considered elevating your look with hair extensions. As I mentioned, if you would like to check out Mott Hair for yourself, I will have a link down below in the description box for you. And again, I just want to reiterate how great this brand is. They use the best sourcing for this hair and they search across the world to find the best quality for you guys. And there are no shortcuts when it comes to quality, and they firmly believe in that. So head over to the Mott website, click around, check it out, and get your color match today. And thank you again so much to Mott Hair for sponsoring today's video.
Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go?
Turning my attention over to the bathtub, this bathtub was so bad. I had a storage basket just resting here on the bathtub so I could go through it and organize it. And inside I had a jar of coconut oil. I love to use that on the boys' skin, so I keep one right in the bathroom upstairs so I can easily get to it. Well, apparently it had gotten knocked over and it had leaked some of the coconut oil down into the bathtub, so everything was all greasy. Then of course the dust got to it, and then just made that look worse because the dust was sticking to it. It was just a hot mess in here. So I am busting out the good stuff, the Clorox foaming cleaner. I love using this in tubs and showers, or the pink stuff. They do such a good job. Or a magic eraser, and just really get in there and scrub. And then once I know that I had covered everything and scrubbed everything down, I go in with really hot water and just rinse everything down. I also wanted to share that recently I did a downstairs small bathroom budget makeover. Make sure you guys go check that out because I'm actually going to be shifting my focus here to my bathroom. I think I'm gonna go get the paint for my vanity this next week. So if you guys have not yet subscribed and you love seeing good before and after, transformations, makeovers, cleaning, make sure you stick around. I cannot wait to get my hands on this bathroom.
Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
I find it hard to reach you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want.
While I was in here cleaning, I could hear my family out in the loft area, and then I could hear my husband doing something out there. So I popped my head out and noticed that he was cleaning our air filter for the AC and vents that run through our home. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is the perfect opportunity for me to jump in there and get that all cleaned up. So as you can see, the filter was pretty nasty. We definitely need to get better about changing these. So this is your reminder, if you have not changed your AC filters or your vent filters in a long time, make sure that you do that. Keep a healthy home. And then this actual metal grate vent area, I'm gonna go through with one of my favorite dusters. I buy a few boxes of these at a time just from the Dollar Tree because I feel like I can just use them even just once and then toss them in the trash. And I believe it came with a pack of 3 dusters.
Maybe you're scared of getting hurt, but if you sit down.
The filter is all clean, so now I feel like I can go back into my bedroom and continue what I was working on. I had this random basket of laundry, and I love when you go to do a thing of laundry or pull something out of the dryer and it's towels. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys also get excited about that. I feel like towels are just so much easier and faster to fold and put away versus a whole pile of random clothing of laundry. So I feel like that's a running joke, but let me know if you guys also get excited when you go to fold a basket of laundry and find out it's just a basket of towels. But since I had fresh towels here, I decided I'm cleaning the bathroom and folding the laundry anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and swap out our shower towels here in our bathroom with some fresh ones. And I know you guys all love a good Ruger moment, so here's my boy Ruger in his bed in our room with his little donut and cupcake toys.
What do you want from me?
So many of you have been enjoying my shopping hauls that I've been putting into my videos. We had a brand new Costco literally open maybe 5 minutes from my house. It's been so nice. And this was actually before Ryland's birthday and back to school. So we went and grabbed all kinds of goodies. So I just wanted to take a moment and give you guys a quick overview of what we picked up on our first Costco trip. A lot of these things that we normally shop in the grocery store, so buying them in bulk is such a money saver. I also want to mention, you'll see my little guy Colton here. Well, he's not so little anymore. He's 8 and in 3rd grade, but he is always willing to lend a hand. And of course there's snacks here in the kitchen. So he's right here begging for snacks as I'm doing this haul. So I had to tell him to wait a second so I can show you guys what we picked up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give him a yogurt. But if you guys see these bacon Gouda egg sandwiches at Costco, definitely grab them. It was such a great alternative through going through Starbucks and paying $3 or $4 for a breakfast sandwich. Same thing with those little egg bites that I shared with you guys. You get a 4-pack for a fraction of the cost of what you would be spending it at Starbucks. I also love just stocking up on things for the kids' lunches and snacks and things for me to snack on at home as well. And then the cake that you guys saw in the very beginning of this haul, I ended up actually just grabbing that frozen from Costco and then ordering some party decorations to decorate it with from Amazon, and decorated an adorable cake for Ryland.
By my side, if you're in.
I wanted to share a really easy dinner recipe, super budget friendly, affordable, and it's something the whole family will eat. I just picked up some chicken breasts from my local Target, just where I had been shopping earlier that day. So I picked up some chicken breasts, and then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over that. And then I love using this McCormick one sheet pan Farmer's Market seasoning packet, and I just put that all in a bag and shake it up really good, massage the chicken, make sure everything is evenly coated, and then we are going to throw this on a sheet pan with some sweet potatoes and some asparagus, and then I'm also going to sprinkle a little onion on top. And then make sure you also drizzle some olive oil and salt and pepper over your veggies, and then you just pop it right into the oven.
Wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived. Yeah, we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that. Just say yes, choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that.
I was waiting for the oven to finish preheating, so I figured I would go ahead and knock out these dishes sitting in the sink, and then I can get the dishwasher running. That way, after dinner, I'm not completely overwhelmed with dishes. I love to go to bed with an empty sink. So this only took me a few minutes to knock these out, and it just took another thing off of my plate for the evening. I also wanted to mention that this recipe is so great if you are an on-the-go family, or maybe you have 2 working parents in the home, or you're just short on time. Maybe you're a single parent, you're looking for something quick, easy, and healthy and affordable. This meal is so perfect for that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven now that it's all preheated, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know this isn't as long as one of my normal videos, but it's just real life and what I was up to that day when I was filming. Also, please do not forget to check out Mott Hair. I will have them linked down below in the description box if you'd like to check them out. Also, I would love if you could like this video and subscribe before you leave today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.